buddy. Jesus. Alright guys, we're back with another video. Today's gonna be more of a high-speed run. We're just gonna go as fast as we can, or at least as fast as my bike can take me. And just in case you don't know, I'm on my 60-volt wired freedom. We're gonna see what we can get into today, that's for sure. Alright, we got our own bike lane too. Perfect. But of course, it's being covered by a freaking truck. Now we can get back into it. Never mind, it's being taken again. Freaking trucks. Oh, of course, I'm being blocked in again. Damn it, yo. Alright, let's get around this. This will be a pretty interesting ride. I might just stay out here with the big cars. I love riding this bike. It's just so smooth to me. It's so easy to ride, so simple. Almost never have a problem with it. Reliable. After I replaced the controller, of course. Before that, it had its moments. Beat the system. Risky business. All right, we're on the move again. Let's see what happens this time. I just pray we don't catch it flat. That would suck. Oh, buddy. Jesus. And that's why you gotta be really careful in these bike lanes. Really, brother, really. This is why riding on INNOVA Boulevard is like, it's fun, but it's sketchy. I'm just happy I got good brakes on. That's all I know. I'm gonna just jump into traffic. Screw it. Feels safer out here than the bike lane, bro. The bike lane's mad sketchy. Man, I feel so good right now. This bike is awesome. I love it. Now I'll hop back in the bike lane, you know, take advantage of it. Ooh. All right, the bike lane looks clear. Let's see how long it lasts for. Oh, big old potholes in the bike lane. It's all good though. I'm not trying to be a complainer, I'm just saying. It's been a crazy run so far, that's for sure. What is going on up here? I'm curious. What is that? Either way, no, I'm not gonna get distracted. Focus, I'm gonna focus. Damn, what happened here? Is a fire or something? Must be a fire or something like that. They got the whole ladder out and everything. All right, now we're gonna go back the other way and see what happens. Screw it. I like INNOVA Boulevard, especially at this time of day. It's usually not too bad, but as you can tell from earlier in the video, the bike lanes sometimes get a little crazy. It's usually better off to be in the middle of the road. The one thing I really like about this bike is you feel pretty stable. Like I feel pretty planted on the ground right now. Try to hit them brakes a little bit. Since I quit vaping, I feel liberated to be healthy. That's good for you, man. That's good for you. All right, now let's take advantage of the bike lane and scoot around. All right, let's do some pedaling, get back up to speed. Oh, snap. We're getting up there. Woo! All right. Let's not get too crazy now. Sorry, y'all. I got quiet. I was trying to lock in. I was making sure I was focused. Can't afford no mistakes right now. Wow, of course he would. It's okay. You know, I'm trying to be understanding. Cars are trying to get home too. I respect it. I understand it. All right, now we're cruising again. I think we're gonna stick on the Hollywood Boulevard for a little bit. I just gotta get the bike lane real quickly because this freaking guy's just sitting in it. Is this illegal what I'm doing? Just taking advantage of the freaking fire truck? I feel like it might be. Woo, okay. We're in Crazyville. We're in Hollywood. Now you gotta be careful. Now you got people standing in the middle of the roads. You got all the craziness. Oh snap. I do not want to go up this hill. All right, I gotta pull off a U-turn. I don't know how, but I gotta pull off a U-turn. Ain't no way in hell I'm being trapped up here. I'm good on that. There's gaps. I'll find a gap. I ain't too stressed.
I could have that gap for sure. And next chance I get into my gap, I ain't dealing with patience. I'm not interested in it. Come on.
Got that beautiful ass Corvette behind me. Oh, snap. Now we're in Hollywood, where all the craziness is. Alright, we're getting in the middle of this lane. I ain't getting hit by no car door. I ain't too stressed though. I mean, I'm kind of used to riding around these parts. If I was new to riding around here, I'd be kind of maybe a little worried. Although I've recently learned that apparently people think I ride kind of crazy. I thought I rode pretty safe, but I guess I ride kind of crazy. I mean, in my opinion, it's not the worst. I think I ride defensively is what it is. That's just what I felt more comfortable riding like. But, you know, whatever. To each their own. Oh, snap. I forgot that I could even ride no hands. I still got it though. I don't know where we're going. We're just gonna keep going south. Screw it, why not? There's definitely no bike. I mean, there's not really a bike lane. They give you like a shared lane. All right, let's skirt to the front. This is Fountain Ave. You know, might as well. We can go all the way right. That's what we can do. All right, we're just gonna go straight down this way for a while, see what happens. Man, it's a beautiful day. I feel great. Oh, damn. Of course. Oh, man. Road, I swear. Oh, they're crazy. Now we're passing the police station, so let's make sure we go the speed limit, all right? Gotta make sure we ride completely legal. It's not nothing too crazy. You know what I miss? I miss riding around downtown. That was so much fun. I can't even get there anymore. I don't have the range for it, but one day we'll get back there again. Hit up the 6th Street Bridge again, do all that fun stuff. I never even did a proper video exploring that bridge. Like, I went up and down a little bit. I haven't really like explored it as much as I wanted to. But we're gonna get there, man. One day. That's why it kind of sucked when I got this wired freedom. Don't get me wrong, I love it. It's just like 6 months later they came up with a new version. I had dual batteries. Like, I would have loved to have that one. Because with that one, we could probably get to downtown LA and back. I gotta take off my front light. That freaking thing is wobbling around like crazy. Stressing me out. Makes me feel like I can get locked up in the front wheel and I'll go flying up. Yeah, my brakes are really hot right now. I can't even lock them up anymore. It's okay though. Just gotta learn to drive a little carefully. What kind of car is that, a GT? Also, I heard some sad news in the e-bike world. I heard that Juice is basically done for, I think. I'm not 100% sure because I saw it on Facebook. As you guys know, Facebook sometimes some BS, but from what I've seen, it's like, seems like Juice is no longer gonna be Juiced anymore. Seems like it's going out of business, which is kind of sad, but you know, you can only make so many e-bikes for so long, I guess. So much competition right now too. Plus, I don't see no more like bikes coming out. I haven't heard anything crazy coming from them, so I'm not surprised that they're going out of business. Still sad though. Right? All right, now let's get back on the road. I think my brain is going a little crazy because now going like 35, 38, 39 is not that fast anymore. It feels kind of slow. But I gotta humble myself and tell myself I'm on an e-bike, not a freaking motorcycle. So the fact that it can even go as fast as it's going is pretty incredible. What's my heart rate at? My heart rate is at 96. I'm not surprised with that. I'm a little bit focused, like super focused right now.
Yeah, what's better than riding a bike and listening to old school West Coast music? Woo! Hopefully we can get going faster again. Just rapping stuff. I was thinking we still rap facts and stuff. Down to the East Coast. Here, baby, small speak. Brunches. Alright, let me stop. Sing around before you copyright strike. I think copyright is strike. Before they copyright strike.
I didn't even mention it, I don't think, but I'm actually using my old DJI Action 3. I took off the Insta360 just because it was kind of, while I like it, it was kind of struggling to keep up. It would kind of overheat a lot, so I didn't really want to risk it. So I'll still use it, but probably to get just like cool shots and stuff. I'm not going to use it as my main camera anymore. Now we're gonna start getting past. Or are we? I believe this is a 35-mile-per-hour road, I think. Don't quote me on that, but I think. But as you can tell, we can kind of keep up with traffic. I'm sure if we had a full battery, we'd easily keep up, but we're still doing a pretty good job. BMW is wilding out. Look at this thing. Holy crap. It's getting dummy close. Typical BMW drivers though. We ain't surprised. Traffic is really boring right now. Why? The second I put on cruise control, that happens, of course. Oh, I think we're going downhill for a little bit. Let's go, boys. See what we can make happen. Nah, nothing's really gonna happen with this kind of traffic right now, sadly. Please take this right. Please take this right. Oh no, he didn't take it. All right, now we're gonna pull off a U-turn because I'm pretty sure this just leads to Melrose. And I definitely do not feel like riding on Melrose. Melrose is kind of, it's not necessarily hectic, but it's just kind of boring. It doesn't lead anywhere that interests me. Oh, perfect time to take a little U-turn. Thank you. All right, let's go back this way, see what happens. Ooh, nice little Raptor. I said Raptor, I feel bad. That was an F-150 Ford. Y'all didn't hear that from me. Oh, snap. Gotta get the tires warmed up. Oh my God, my legs are so sore from the gym. Come on, pedal. Pedal, pedal, let's go, let's go. All right, here we go. All that for a red light? Damn, disappointing. Oh snap, homie's on a Super 7.3. This guy has his hazards on, what's up with that? Oh, it's because of this Jeep. I was about to say, what's going on? West Coast party. BMW. Let him know, boy. Let him know. All right, kind of crazy. I want to catch this BMW. Is it possible? I don't think so. Well, we gonna try, my boy. We gonna try. I mean, yeah, he caught a red light, so yeah, we caught up. Whoa, Toyota Prius, just going for it. I see. That's a really nice BMW. That thing sounds beautiful. My legs. Now I gotta stay super aware. We got a crazy Prius on the road. This guy still has his hazards on. He definitely forgot about that. Oh snap. Let's go, let's go. Yeah, no, the bike feels super stable, top end speed. I know the new Freedoms with the extra battery in the rear rack had problems with the front end feeling kind of wobbly, but not with this one. This one feels super planted at high speeds. We're getting lucky, unlucky, unlucky. And then we got stuck behind this Nissan Altima going less than 20 miles per hour. Or I guess around 20. Why, man? Can't you see I'm trying to have some fun? See, the speed limit is 35. You're going below the speed limit, okay, guys? This is not my fault. I'm not even trying to break the laws. I'm not even capable with this bike breaking the speed limit. So I ain't got nothing to worry about. I mean, I could, but it would take a while. Alrighty, guys, just like always, I really do appreciate all of you guys watching these videos. Please do me a favor, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one.